Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this ceramic dinnerware set, and it's a set of four, so I think it's incredible. It came four of these ones that it's 10.5 inches, then it came four of this one that it's 8.5 inches, and then it came also this one that it's here. Okay, and well, I choose these products because it is dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and oven safe. So well, like I have a dishwasher in my house, I think it is super difficult to find a product that it save like the 4 or 5 type of things, yeah, the plates can have. So these ones, it works super perfect and they're super functional. And well, I'm going to be showing you how it works. And also remember that it's super easy to clean this type of products because it is ceramic. And another thing that I want to mention you, it's the color. I hope here in that image you can appreciate, or in the video you can appreciate very well the color. It's like a glaze color and it has a different type. It is not like a circle plate. It has like some type of here in the side, so I like it a lot. Okay guys, like you can see I have here already all the products. Like you can see they are 4 sets, so it is perfect.